Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study multivariable calculus. To begin, ensure you have a strong grasp of single-variable calculus fundamentals, as these form the bedrock. Next, dedicate time to understanding vectors and their operations in both 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions. Finally, focus on mastering partial derivatives, grasping their geometric interpretation, and how they extend from single-variable concepts. This foundational work is crucial for success. Once your foundation is solid, delve into the core topics. Learn how to set up and solve multiple integrals to calculate areas and volumes. Progress to studying line integrals and surface integrals, understanding their applications in various fields. A key aspect of multivariable calculus is visualization. Practice sketching and interpreting functions and surfaces in 3 dimensions to build intuition. This will greatly enhance your comprehension. Consistent practice is paramount for mastering multivariable calculus. Work through numerous problems from your textbook and other resources. Actively apply major theorems such as Green's, Stokes, and the divergence theorem to various scenarios. Remember, the goal is deep conceptual understanding, not just memorizing formulas. Focus on why and how these concepts work, which will make problem-solving much more intuitive and effective. To deepen your understanding, utilize a variety of online resources and different textbooks. Sometimes a new explanation can clarify a difficult concept. Collaborating with peers is also incredibly beneficial. Discussing challenging problems can reveal new insights and solidify your knowledge. And speaking of lasting quality, check out the link in the description for Darn Tough Socks, known for their lifetime warranty. You'll also find other great deals there to help you on your academic journey. Keep exploring and challenging yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.